If you're thinking of registering a company in Armenia, there are some important decisions you'll need to make beforehand. These include 1. Choosing the type of incorporation that best suits your business needs. 2. Picking a registered address for your company. 3. Selecting a unique name that reflects your brand. 4. Determining the number and value of shares or stocks. 5. Specifying the number of shares or stocks held by each shareholder or stockholder. And 6. Appointing a chief executive, director, to lead the company. Just so you know, you don't need to obtain a residency card during the company registration process. However, if you need help getting a work permit in Armenia, please don't worry. You can always seek guidance from Grataris.